129 the target. Nice bit of movement, nice shape away from the left arm. Oh, a nice crisp shot. Hesitation in the run between the wickets, and I think they picked up their first wicket. The Raiders are going to be very happy with that.
The direct hit. Comfortably out.
Now the Zing Bale is out of the groove. The stumps have lit up. And he's going to see red as well, I'm afraid. That is a big setback right at the start of the innings. Good work from the Raiders. It's exactly what they needed to do. Nice work. Good scrambling from the keeper to the right. Full-length dive. Certainly saved a couple of extra runs. Nice buzz from the Raiders already in the park.
That's because of this. It's that hesitation just there. Had he gone straight away, he would have certainly been a lot closer, probably made his ground.
Top over so far. Last ball. Tight again. Can't put that away. Good start. 1 for 1 after 1.
Only managed 87. Have him in early. Allow him to have more people to bat with and control the innings.
Yeah, he scored 111 runs so far. He's number 5 on the batting list. So you would think they would want him to do exactly that. Take charge out there and just sensibly just work it around and spend time in the middle. It's a warm day, lovely day for a little bit of a dip in the pool. Tino, you've got plans on that during the break between the games? Looks terrific. Nice little complex around the Gaddafi Stadium.
Spin overs in the power play. Wonder how soon it'll be before they introduce theirs.
So remind you about this presentation. It is the award of the Abdul Qadir Blue Cap Award for the most wickets to Afghan Khan. 7 wickets. There are a couple of players, 2 players actually with 7 wickets, but he's got the best average as well, best bowling average. Hence he gets the number 1 spot in that list. Colin Munro handing that over and giving a chat to his charges. Full toss, friendly full toss, and put away as it should have been done.
First time any of the Raiders bowlers has missed his mark. He's missed it by a long way. Just opens the face and ensures it gets through the gap and run away for 4.
Accolades for those who are succeeding with the ball in the bat. 2 overs gone, 8 for 1. Oh, that's pretty close. Yep, up goes that finger. And I think that's adjacent. I'm not sure that's going to go upstairs.
He's got himself in a bit of a tangle here. It's gone a bit too far across to the offside. Ball swinging back that last moment. And that's why he's failed to get his bat down in time. This has struck him just on middle stump. It'll be very difficult to get that overturned. Got it right.
Daniel in at number 4. Whips that away. Lovely shot, little half volley roundabout leg stump. It's exactly what you want as you arrive at the crease.
This is why I wanted to see him in earlier. He was in at the beginning of the 3rd over anyway, but he's got such quality about himself. Ball slightly over pitch straight away. Takes advantage of that.
Plays for Sri Lanka and under-19s as Daniel. Got 155 against England in an under-19 test match recently. It's like a nice organised batsman. One of the things that when you first arrive at the crease, you've got to make sure you're nice and in tune with the bowler. And I think the movements we're seeing from Daniel in the short couple of balls he's faced so far, that being the LBW shout, by the way, that saw the end of Oasis with that dreaded digit firing him. But since then, Daniel's been going nicely and looks totally organised with his technique. Oh, that's good connection too. One bounce for.
Wow, he's got a hold of this. Short onto it very quickly. It's come right out the middle. Don't think he's going to be bowling too many more short deliveries to him if he's going to be playing them like that.
It's worth a try, I suppose, at the start, knowing that they've lost a couple of wickets. A reasonably pacey short delivery at just over 130 k's per hour. Try and surprise him a little bit so he doesn't just rock onto that front foot, but Mumtaz was up to the task. Early call.
Now, this doesn't look good. It looks like he might have just done something to that hamstring. He got hit, but I don't know if he got hit on the hamstring or if he got hit. Oh, yeah. All right. It's the ball. It's a good thing the ball didn't hit the stumps, because I don't think he had made his ground there. Hadn't grounded his bat. But what he did well was the early call. And that's what the pair before didn't do when they got the run out.
Full toss, just a punch. And a good stop as well. 3 overs gone, 11 off that, and a wicket right at the top of the over. 19 for 2.
Now, if anything should motivate them.
Dragging that on the onside, just for 1 though. Tidy over, 3 from it. 4 overs gone now, 22 for 2.
Patiently. 25 for 2 then.
On the ball is very good.
Chipped in the air. And they will beat their best power play with that boundary off the last delivery. So power play done, 35 for 2.
Was bowling full and straight. Siobhan Daniel using the crease, using his feet. Comes down the ground. He knew that it was the last ball of the power play. Went for the maximum.